Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about interim government. As you all know, Dr. Muhammad Yunus is the chief of the interim government, and there are 17 members right now in the interim government. He's the chief and he's doing a very fantastic movement. As you all know, Dr. Muhammad Yunus got a Nobel Prize on 2006 who is being peaceful. As you know, he's a Nobel laureate and people respect him a lot. And as you all know, it is also happened when a real or the main prime minister is not there. So that's why we can see now Dr. Muhammad Yunus is now the chief of the place to control the whole country and cooperate. So I love it so much, and make sure you guys respect Dr. Muhammad Yunus because he's doing an awesome thing. So thanks for watching my video. As you know, this is all about Dr.